and what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of DripMyWhip. Hell no, this is not a Sunday fun day video, but if you want to see a Sunday fun day video, check out this one right here. It should be like right there. We're getting into some trouble tonight. Well, I won't be. I'll be staying out of trouble, but I will be filming some people getting into trouble tonight. And I feel like there's some stuff missing here. I feel like we got the wrong address. Look at this. I feel like we're not where we're supposed to be. There should be like cars sliding right there, people right there, and like a host doing some weird dance or on a megaphone right there. So yeah, we're definitely missing some stuff. I think we're at the wrong location, so let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Boom! There we go. Alright, now we got some people we're gonna block it up right now. Gotta get all these people over here.
Let's go! Block this shit up! Let's go! Everybody in the fucking street! Everybody!
Let's go! Lock it up! Let's go! Walk out! Walk out! Lock it up!
A few moments later.
Block him! Block him up! God, I'm late to everything today. Dang! I'm late to everything today. Fuck! finally early to a spot. I swear, I keep missing the starts of spots. Hey, let's get some people out over here. Hey, yo, let's get people over here. Baby. That better not be open, dude. Hey, bro. Hold on a second. Props to all the unnamed people who are blocking that shit up. That's awesome. 12 is hot tonight. So we got a lot of spots shut down. A couple been successful. This is like, what time is it right now? 12:45 in the morning. And we're heading to spot 7. Hopefully we get some more time in on these spots, because being here for 15 minutes and moving spots is not the move. So I'm heading to the next one now, and like I said, we'll see. Yo, what's up, guys? What you on the window for? What the hell? Yo, how y'all doing, bro? How you doing? Wait, hold on, I ain't got.
Hey, you gonna let me hang, man?
Well, hold on, I can't see none of y'all. There you go. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah. Hell yeah.
We active, bro.
We fucking this spot up right now, bro.
Yes, sir.
Don't scare him like that. Get out of here. Go, 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 go. Hey, we need people in the street. I don't think he likes takeovers. Hey, we did. Bang! Get smacked.
Yeah, the Mustang.
Mustang was stupid, bro.
He's chasing.
I ain't gonna die. That,
Let's go, let's go.